After spending most of my winter trying to get rid of these tiny collard-loving aphids, I'd finally had it. I gathered up enough leaves for maybe 2 meals, and I did replant that little one because I felt a little guilty. But then I went in to do some research. Okay, so it looks like legumes, or beans basically, are natural nitrogen fixers, and they can naturally replenish the soil. I decided I better test the soil just in case, so I got out my Rain Trip soil tester. Let me show you how easy it is to use. I selected the pH first, which is that bottom line on the meter. It tells me the alkaline is between 6 and 7, and I understand that's what lima beans prefer. So let me move the meter over to nutrient. That's still okay, but it is a little low. That's that next line up on the meter. I love this thing. You just wipe it off and store it away for next time. So I dug into my seed vault and chose Henderson lima beans since they're bush beans, not climbers. And after fluffing up the soil, giving it a little more water, the seeds went in about 12 inches apart, about an inch down. I will tell you that this bed is loaded with red wiggler worms I got from Uncle Jim's worm farm, so I'm not going to put any extra fertilizer in for now.